Still on solving linear equations containing fractions, this is example 18. It says solve the equation 4x minus 5 is equal to x over 3 plus 6. How do we solve this question? How? I told you before that to take away the denominator, the fraction, is to multiply through, or you say multiply every single term by that particular number that is in the denominator. So in this case, we have what? 3. Now I'm going to multiply every single term by 3. You get that? So let's do that. That will be 4x times 3 minus 5 times 3. Please don't neglect any term. They all must be treated specially. All right, don't neglect any term. So this times 3, then plus 6 times what? 3. This has its own, this has its own, this has its own, and this has its own. Fair play. Now what's 4x times 3? That's 12x. What's 5 times 3? That's what? 15. And see, watch this now. This will cancel this and have only x remaining. What's 6 times 3? That's what? 18. Beautiful. So it's now time to collect like terms. In this case, I'll move the terms. When you move the terms, change the sign. Move the terms, change the sign. So x will come here and minus 15 will come here. Watch the changes now. So I have 12x plus x crosses to the left hand side, becomes minus x. This is 18 plus 18. We didn't move it, so why change the sign? Minus 15 to be moved to the right hand side, you change the sign from minus 15 to what? Plus 15. Did you get that? What's 12x minus x? That's 11x. Then we have 18 plus 15. What's 18 plus 15? 8 plus 5 is what? 13. Put down 3, carry 1, plus the 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what? 3. So that's 3. What do you think the next thing should be? Of course, we are supposed to divide both sides. You tell me, by what? Divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which in this case is 11. So that's 11x over 11 divided, is equal to 33 divided by what? 11. Now this takes away that. Then we have x is equal to, what's 33 divided by 11? That's what? 3. So the value of x in this particular question is 3. Straightforward and easy. Example 19. Solve the equation 6 is equal to 4 over x minus 5. It is still the same thing I'm going to do here. See, this is the word denominator. So I will multiply both sides by this denominator to take away the denominator. We don't want fractions. We want it to be just smooth and linear without fractions. All right. So I will take away the denominator by, I'll say multiply both sides. 6, and we have two terms, one term on the left hand and one term on the right hand side. So multiply both sides by what? X minus 5. I'm going to multiply both sides by x minus 5. Watch what's going to happen. So I have 6 times x minus 5. You know, I don't even have to write that times there. Okay. And then this again times what? X minus 5. Did you get that? Now watch this. This will cancel this. Gone. Is equal to 4. 4 is now standing alone. Now let's expand this. 6 times x, that's 6x. 6 times minus 5 is minus 30, and this is equal to what? 4. Now what do you think I'll do here now? Of course, minus 30 will come here. Please don't forget to change the sign. So you have 6x is equal to 4 plus 30. And 6x is equal, what's 4 plus 30? That's 34. Now you tell me what will be the next thing from here. You divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 6. So I'll just have x standing alone. You see, it's not every time I'll write dbs or divide both sides by 6. You don't have to do that every time. You can just write it simply. All right. Now please don't ask me where the 6 went to. Of course, the 6 was divided by 6. and it went like that. Did you get that? That should be easy, right? Okay, so your x is equal to, can we break this down? 2 into 6 is 3, 2 into 34, what should that be? That should be what? 2 into 3 is 1, remember 1, 2 into 14 is 7, so we have 17 over 3. Now, how many times will 3 go into 17? To go 5 times with a remainder of what? 2 over 3. And this is your answer. But let's see if this is correct. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 17 over 3. This is your final answer. So you see, it doesn't matter the nature of the question. As far as it's a fraction, just multiply through by that denominator. If it's just one denominator, as we have like this, don't worry, in subsequent examples you will see cases where you have different denominators and then you do something to it. Okay, I hope you understood everything we did here. I urge you to watch the video again so you could get proper understanding of everything I said in this video. Thank you. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.